Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to set a sale price on Shopify. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to just go ahead and open your browser and search for shopify.com and log in your account. Okay? So now once you've done that, what you need to do is to just go ahead and click on the product section right here at the left side of your screen. And then just go ahead and select the product that you want to set the sale. So let me just go ahead and wait for this one. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add my product because I don't have any product at the moment, so that I can show you step by step on how to set a sale price. Okay, so now as you can see, this is my product. Okay, so this is just an example product. So if you want to change the price, like set a sale, what you need to do is to just go ahead and click on the product. Okay, but before that, let me just gonna show you what it is look like on my store. So as of now, this is what it's look like. So let me just go ahead and continue with the tutorial. So you want to scroll down until you see the pricing section. Okay. So what you need to do is to just go ahead and put the original price under the compare at price. And then now for the sale price, just go ahead and type it under the price. Okay. Just like that. And now what you need to do is to just go ahead and click on the save button right here. Okay, so click on that. And now as you can see, it is now saved. Okay, so now let me just go ahead and check on my store. And as you can see, right now, this is what it is look like. Okay, for the original price, it is crossed out, and now this is the sale price. Okay, and that is how you set a sale price on Shopify. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.